Okay, so what I have changed here is I've just added an additional screen that comes before this process. And what we're going to do is we're just going to create a product. And as we go through this, we will just add these features to it. We have a toggle here and we'll save the name. So let me go through it and we'll see how it works. So you'd obviously have text here around this in terms of, okay, click here to add a new product. We click here and we'll see a list of all of the main categories, okay? So the user will be able to click one of these, and when they click that little plus, we actually created the product. There was nothing there. And now we're updating it as we go through this process, okay? Now, it's not going to work here because I don't have anything, any subcategories for these. So let's go back and let's add it to one that we have subcategories for. We'll create a new women's product. And what we will do is, let's do bags. Now, here, what I've done is I have added a toggle so that you can toggle these to show which ones it should include. So let's add it to backpacks. And you'd probably have a next button here. I didn't put that in. We'll call this backpack 3, okay? Okay. We don't have any confirmation that it's complete, but let's go look at our products. So we have 3 products, okay? And you can see that we have all of these. The subcategories did not save, so let's take a look at that. Let me pause this and I will come back with. Okay, I just had the wrong relationship on this toggle. So we're going to try this again. Basically, this right section, I have a toggle here. Okay, and it should be current product subcategories includes current subcategory. Okay. So let's hope that works. And then I'm going to add a button here to just kind of finish this process. It's not really finished because you do need to add the name, but let's add that to products. And let's make one more. So again, I will create the product. It's now created. Okay, we'll go back into women's, back to bags. Okay, and let's add this to, and the other one didn't save, so it's not going to show up here, but we'll add this to handbags and finish that. And we'll call this backpack 4. Okay, now let's verify that worked. So we have 4 products. Oh, it did not work. Okay, let me pause this again and go find that why that happened. Okay, I was doing the wrong relationship there. The first 2 times I did it, I actually did the exact same relationship. And then I was just able to do this for backpack 5. The relationship I had to do here is a little bit weird. So let me show you. So in this right section on the toggle, I actually had to do products includes current product. It's a weird one. So it's actually current subcategory products includes current products. And it's weird because I was thinking that I needed to add the subcategory to the product. But what I was actually doing when we were doing this, I was doing this subcategories include current subcategory category subcategory. It didn't make any sense. It probably wasn't even doing anything. So what I did is instead I added the product to the subcategory. Okay, so every time that is done, it will check both of those or whatever. It'll add it to that subcategory instead of adding the subcategory to the product, and that worked. So I hope this kind of 2-part series helps on both ends. Let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.